the button. Okay, wait.
Costco.
Keep going. Do it again. Wait, do it. Wait. Keep. And she at the Costco. We're at the Costco.
So at Costco, we saw a lot of cool things. When I got home, I attempted to make my favorite fall soup, which is autumn squash. The Bread Co. has a great recipe for this soup, but I believe they discontinued the soup, so I attempted to make my own. I roasted the veggies, then I transferred them to the pot where I tried to use the emulsifier, but didn't quite come out as planned. Plus my veggies were still kind of hard. Well, the squash was still kind of hard. So I baked it a little bit longer and still was a little bit hard. Like I said, I tried this emulsifier. That didn't give me the results I was looking for. So I went on and cooked the veggies on the stove a little bit with some vegetable broth. And that did make the veggies a little bit tender and gave me a better consistency before I went on and used my Ninja blender to smooth everything on out. And I want to say everything came out pretty darn good. Now the spices wasn't as I anticipated, but they did give it a little fall taste. I just couldn't get it exactly the way that Bread Company has it, but it did come very close to it, so I'm still happy. And once I was done cooking everything, blending everything, spicing everything, I went on and put it in, separate it in 3 bunches in Ziploc bags and freeze it for later, so that whenever I have those cravings for fall autumn squash soup, I can just go into the freezer and pull out me a little bag of soup, thaw it out, and I'll be in my little soup heaven. And hopefully the Bread Company comes back around and brings this soup back out. But we'll see. I'll be on standby waiting for it. Thank you for watching.
I think I want to just sit them in the back right here. They're great, and my aunt picked those out for me. And I also went in the garden and got a little bit of the last of summer of those little pink flowers. Because who don't get enough of flowers? It's me. And this is our creamy goodness, and I am going to have a bowl. So yeah, I'm going to try my soup and see how it goes. It's really nice to play with the soup. Okay, look at that. Oh my gosh, I almost want to say it was just more adding frequencies to it. And I am going to taste a little bit of this. Well, it's almost better than the regular. You gonna ruin your pretty flowers? Okay, Mama.